Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have your VPN account details. Now start the setup. Open Google Play, install the provider app, or go to Settings Network and Internet VPN to add a profile manually. Enter the server address, your username, and password exactly as provided. Once done, grant any requested permissions so the app can create a secure tunnel. You do this now because those permissions let Android route traffic through the VPN and keep connections stable in the background. You'll now configure the middle steps that determine reliability and speed. Open the VPN app settings and pick a protocol, WireGuard or OpenVPN, for performance and compatibility. If you use manual profiles, select matching options. Enable a kill switch to block traffic if the VPN drops, and set Auto Connect for trusted Wi-Fi networks. If you need certain apps to bypass the VPN, turn on split tunneling. Make sure DNS and encryption match what your provider recommends. You're at the finish line. Tap Connect and accept the system permission prompt so Android allows the VPN to run. Check for the VPN icon in the status bar, then verify by visiting a geo-check site or using private browsing to confirm your IP and location changed. If the connection fails, restart the app, try a different server, or toggle airplane mode briefly and reconnect. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache or reinstall the app if persistent authentication or DNS errors continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.